In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if ringer sound volume gets low on incoming calls. That is quite simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. And first open up your settings. Now there, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode here, and after that scroll for a bit until you find attentional aware features. So if this option is toggled on, iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So to fix this problem you need to toggle this option off. And it's all about the problem when sound volume gets low on incoming calls. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.